Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the mop washing frequency on your XIAOMI Robot Vacuum 5. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then select Mop Cleaning Settings, and now you can make sure that auto cleaning the mop is enabled, and then select type of returning to clean the mop, and it can be set to returning to clean the mop after finishing cleaning a certain area, like for example 20 square meters, by time, which can be set to, for example, after 20 minutes of cleaning, or by room, which means it'll clean after every room. So after cleaning a room, it'll return to clean the mops and resume cleaning. By area can be set to every 20 meters of cleanup, every 10 meters, every 15 meters, or every 24 meters. And time can be set to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and 25 minutes. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.